Joshua is 11 years old and lives in Croatia, a country in Eastern Europe. From the time he was a baby, Joshua's parents took him to Sabbath school. And long before he went to school, Joshua was already playing the violin. For as long as he can remember, he's had two great loves, God and his violin. When Joshua was 8 years old, he went to Vacation Bible School, or VBS, for the first time. He loved every aspect of it, especially when he could play his violin. The next year, Joshua invited friends from the village primary school and from his music school. "You must come, it's great," he told them. Joshua also talked with them about God, but they didn't seem to care too much about that. They still came to VBS and liked it. The following year, Joshua's friends wanted to come again, and this time, one girl, after listening to the children's sermon at VBS, told Joshua, "This is a miracle. There really is a God." Joshua told her that God is near to her and all of us. The girl asked him for a Bible and soon received one. Now she and her mom are going to Pathfinders, and her mother also goes to a women's group at the church. One day when Joshua was 11, he heard his parents talking about a boy who was very sick. The boy had a brain tumor, and his family couldn't afford to pay for the operation that he needed. "I know what we can do," Joshua said. "We can have a concert to help raise money to help this boy." "Okay," his mom said, but she was wondering how she could possibly organize it. That wasn't a problem, however, because Joshua organized everything himself. He told his friends at the music school about his idea, and soon 15 young musicians were eager to help by playing the concert. Joshua also talked with an Adventist pastor who was willing to present short devotionals between each of the 15 musical pieces. Soon, posters advertising the special benefit concert were seen all over the village of Marushevec and at schools in the area, inviting people to come to this special program. The concert was held at the Seventh-day Adventist Church on the campus of the Adventist Secondary School in Marushevec. About 300 people came to the concert, and most had never been in an Adventist church. Joshua and his friends were delighted when they learned that their concert raised 8,600 Croatian kunas. That's more money than an average person in Croatia makes in a whole month. Even though Joshua and his friends didn't personally know the sick boy, they were happy that they were able to help him and his family. Joshua is happy to use his love for God and violin to share God's love with as many people as he can. Now Joshua is planning more concerts to help other children in need. Who knew that a boy and his violin could make such an impact? Imagine what you could do to help people around you.